Jai Hind to all. Our chapter number 4 determinant is going on, and today we discuss about how to find the determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3. If A is any given matrix of order 3 by 3, we have 6 rows and columns. It means 3 rows, first row, second row, third row, and first column, second column, and third column. Clear? For find the determinant, we have expansion method, and we can apply this method according to 6 ways, because we have 6 row and columns. But we apply on only single row or single column. If we apply it on row 1, then how to apply? We always start with -1. Firstly we write -1, and in the power of -1 we write the position of row and column. If we apply on row 1, it is row 1. Clear? And row 1 is starting from 6, and 6 position of 6 is row 1 and column 1. It means we can write it as A11. This one represent the position of row, and second one represent the position of column. Then we write in the power 1 plus 1 into the element is 6 into, if we skip the row and column of 6, in this row 6 and column 6 is represent. If we skip that row and column, we get -1, 2, 5, 2. We write a 2 by 2 matrix by these elements -1, 2, 5, 2 according to the same position. And then we apply positive sign, and now we apply this same method from the second element. -1, we write -1, and in the power of -1 we write 1 plus 2, because position of -3 in is row 1 and column 2, and element -3, and into, by skipping the row and column of -3 we get 2, -10, 2 and 2. We write 2 by 2 matrix by these elements according to the same position, and then we apply positive sign. And now we start from the third element, -1 e raised to power 1 plus 3, because row is first and column is 3, and into element is 2, and into, by skipping row and column we get 2, -1 and -10, 5. Clear? After that we calculate it. -1 e raised to 1 plus 1 is +1 into 6, and this is the 2 by 2 order determinant. For this we multiply the diagonal elements, then negative sign, then multiply the non-diagonal elements, then -1 into 2 is equal to -2, and then we apply minus, and 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Then positive sign, -1 e raised to 1 plus 2, 3, and into -3, this determinant 2 into 2, 4, and minus of -20 plus 20. And from the third step, -1 e raised to 1 plus 3, -1 e raised to 4 is +1, 2 is same, and 2 into 5, 10, and minus of -10 into -1 +10. But here we apply negative sign. Then 1 into 6 is 6, and -2 -10 -12, -1, -3, 24, and 1 into 2, 2, 10 minus 10, 0, 6 into -12, -72, -1 into 3, 3 into 24 is plus 0, -72, 3 into 24, 72, -72 plus 72 is equals to 0. So 0 is the answer, or we can say that 0 is the determinant of A matrix. Clear? If we apply this method on column 2, then how to apply expansion on column 2? For this we take same matrix. A is the same matrix, and now we apply expansion on column 2. It is column 2, and if we start from -1 minus e raised to power 1 plus 2, because first element in the column 2 is -3, and row position of row and column is 1 and 2. First row, column 2. Then we write -1 e raised to 1 plus 2, and element is -3. After skipping -3, we get 2, -10 and 2, 2. If we skip row 1 and column 2. Clear? Then plus, now we reach at the second element. We start from -1, -1 e raised to power 2 plus 2, and into -1 this element, and now we skip this row and column. Then we get 6, -10 and 2, 2. Clear? And then now we reach in the on the third element. Then we apply positive sign, -1 e raised to power a 3, 2, row 3, column 2. Then we write -1 e raised to power 3 plus 2, and into element 5, and into, when we skip third row and second column a 3, 2, we get 6, 2 and 2, 2. Clear? It is the expansion method. After that we simplify it. -1 e raised to power 3 into -3, and determinant is 4 plus 20. 4 minus of -20 is equals to 4 plus 20, and -1 e raised to power 4 into -1, 12, minus plus 20, -1 e raised to power 3 plus 2 into 5, 12 minus 4, -1 into -3, 4 plus 20, -1 e raised to 4, positive 1 into -1, 32, -1 e raised to 5, -1, 5, 12 minus 4, 8, -1 into -3, positive 3, 4 plus 20, 24, and 1 into -1 into 32, -5 into 8, 3 into 24 is equals to 72, -1 into 32, -32 and -40, then 72, -32 -40 is equals to -72, 72 -72 is equals to 0. So we get same answer when we apply expansion on column 2. Clear? But we apply only single row or single column, we get same answer. Thanks.